morning, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well at home. But have you heard that coronavirus is spreading so much now these days? Yes, but you don't have to scare, okay? Only just we have to take good precautions, right? So what we have to do? First of all, we have to cover our face with mask, okay? Whenever there is someone with us or we are outside somewhere, we have to cover our face with the mask, and we have to frequently wash our hands very properly till 20 seconds, till the count of 20, okay? We have to wash our hands, and we can also sanitize our hand if we don't have any soap, okay? And अगर कभी भी हमें बाहर जाना है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू wear our mask and use sanitizer, okay? बट ज़रूरी जब हमें बहुत ज़रूरी काम हो तभी हम बाहर जाएंगे, अदरवाइज हम लोग जिद नहीं करेंगे, okay? Promise? So let's start with our class today. First of all, let's check what's the date today. Tell me. Today is 13 April 2021. Repeat with me. 13 April 2021. And what's the day today? It's Tuesday. Repeat with me. It's Tuesday. Very good. So now let's start with our class. Today it's English class. So we are in the land of English. Okay? So today we will do standing line strokes. What we will do? Standing line strokes. So उससे पहले हम let's play our game. Okay? Which game? Yes, you are right. Our Simon game. So let's start. Simon says clap your hands. Simon says clap your hands. Simon says touch your head. Simon says touch your nose. Simon says sit down. Simon says stand. Simon says sit down. Simon says stand. So have you observed yourself? जब भी हम बोलते हैं स्टैंड तो हम कैसे खड़े होते हैं? स्ट्रेट. वेरी गुड. कैसे खड़े होते हैं? स्ट्रेट. लाइक दिस. राइट? लाइक दिस. This is our standing line. This is our standing line. So today we will do standing strokes. Okay? But first of all, ma'am will give you some dots and then you have to connect these dots. Okay? But how? Let's see. Okay?
Hey children, let's see our activity. So, as you can see, what is this? Guess, what is this? Yes, it's a candy. It's a candy. So, in this candy, we have one standing stick. We have standing stick. So, on this standing stick, we have to paste these wooden cubes. Okay? So, you have to arrange these cubes in standing stick. Okay? In this standing pattern. You have to arrange these cubes in standing pattern. So let's have fun with these wooden cubes. Okay, let's start. Activity, you have to take this worksheet and some wooden cubes, and now we will arrange them. Now everyone, take out your English book pattern with Pinky and Pintu. Okay, so let's have fun with Pinky and Pintu. So now open your book and now you can see the page number 1, On this page, first of all, you have to write your date and classwork. Okay. So now as you can see that we have some flowers over here. Okay. We have some flowers and we have their stick, right? We have their stick which is in the standing line, so we have to connect these dots together to make these flower stems. Okay, so let's start. Place your pencil here and drag the pencil downwards very neatly. Very good. Again, place your pencil here and connect the dot, join the dots very neatly. Standing stroke. Again, standing stroke. Again, standing stroke. Okay, so similarly you have to do all other 3 flowers also. Now move on to our next page. Let's see what we have. We have, yes, you are right. We have our fishes, and fish has a straight standing pattern on their skin. Okay, so we also have to make straight lines, straight stroke, standing strokes on these fishes. So place your pencil here and join the dots like this downwards. Place your pencil here and drag the pencil downwards. Again, place your pencil here and drag the pencil downwards. Standing stroke, standing stroke, standing stroke, standing stroke, standing stroke, standing stroke. Very good. So similarly you also have to do in this fish also. Okay, so this is your classwork. Okay, so again let's do in this fish also. Standing stroke. Place your pencil here. Standing stroke, 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 standing stroke. Very good. Give me high five. Very good. Okay, so let's see our next sheet. You have to do in the homework page number 3 and page number 4, so that you can easily make these standing strokes. Okay, so you have to practice these sheets at home. Okay, so complete your work and I will see you in your next class. Okay, take care. Bye bye.